Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake Sport 2027 has just landed, and let me tell you right now, this is not just a truck, this is a full-blown declaration of war on everything that calls itself powerful on the road today. Welcome back to Nitro Garage, where we bring you the hardest-hitting machines on the planet, and today we are sitting in front of something that genuinely made my jaw drop the moment it rolled through those showroom doors. This thing is absolutely brutal in the best way possible, and every single detail on this 2027 model has been taken to a completely different level compared to anything Shelby American has ever built before. Starting right from the front, this 2027 Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake Sport wears that signature rapid red metallic paint like a crown, and those dual racing stripes running from the hood all the way to the tailgate give it that unmistakable Shelby DNA that has been terrorizing racetracks since the 1960s. The front fascia is completely redesigned for 2027 with a more aggressive hexagonal grille, featuring the iconic Shelby snake badge dead center and those new ultra-sharp split LED headlights that cut through the dark like a pair of laser beams. Every panel on this truck has been touched, widened, and sculpted to look like it is about to devour the road ahead of it. Under that long, muscular hood, Shelby American has dropped in a fire-breathing 5.0-liter supercharged Coyote V8, made it to the all-new Whipple 3.0-liter positive displacement supercharger for 2027, and the numbers are absolutely disgusting in the most glorious way. We are talking 775 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque sitting right there ready to be unleashed every single time your right foot gets a little too confident. 0 to 60 happens in just 3.7 seconds, which is frankly embarrassing for anything that has a truck bed bolted to the back of it. The exhaust note alone on this thing should be completely illegal because it sounds like thunder got trapped inside a metal tube and decided it wanted out all at once. The 2027 model also gets the all-new Shelby Adaptive Performance Suspension System, which completely transforms the way this massive truck handles corners in rough terrain. Brembo 6-piston brakes with drilled and slotted rotors are sitting behind those massive 22-inch matte black Ford Shelby wheels, and the grip this truck generates from those performance all-season tires is something you genuinely have to feel to believe. Shelby did not just make this thing fast in a straight line, they made it fast everywhere. Step inside the 2027 Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake Sport cabin, and the luxury hits you immediately. Full Shelby branded black leather and suede interior with red contrast stitching everywhere you look, the Shelby snake embossed into every headrest. A billet aluminum Shelby shifter knob sitting in your hand like a piece of jewelry, carbon fiber trim panels across the entire dashboard, and a massive 15-inch infotainment screen running the all-new Shelby Performance Interface that gives you real-time supercharger boost pressure, horsepower output, lap timer, and full vehicle dynamics monitoring right at your fingertips. The ambient lighting system has been upgraded for 2027 with 64 color options, and the panoramic glass roof makes the whole cabin feel like you are sitting inside something that belongs in a luxury penthouse, not a truck. Shelby American is only building 200 units of the 2027 Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake Sport worldwide, and each one comes with a serialized numbered dash plaque signed and certified by Shelby American, making every single truck a rolling collector's item from the moment it leaves the factory. Pricing starts at $119,995, and honestly, for what you are getting, that is not money spent, that is history purchased. This is Nitro Garage, and this right here is the most savage luxury truck of 2027.